Here tonight at 11, Georgia could be forced to write a nearly $3 million check to President Trump. I'm Blair Miller.
And I'm Carly Barnett. Today, Governor Kemp signed a bill into law that allows defendants to recover fees and costs if the prosecutor of their case is disqualified and the case is dismissed. Atlanta News First anchor Joe Gorcho is live for us tonight.
And Joe, the president's Fulton County case is currently on hold.
And Blair, Carly, and because of that, President Trump is not necessarily guaranteed to recover any of these legal expenses connected to this Georgia election interference case here in Fulton County. Even with this newly signed law, the Supreme Court kind of holds the keys here to the next steps. Let me explain a little bit more. If the state Supreme Court upholds the decision to disqualify District Attorney Fani Willis, now all of a sudden Fulton County taxpayers could be on the hook to pay millions of dollars in Trump's legal defense team fees. Let me explain a little bit more here, too. Bill SB 244 allows criminal defendants to recover legal costs if the prosecutor is disqualified. The newly signed legislation also covers individuals wrongly convicted in Georgia. So with this move, President Trump may be able to recoup the nearly $3 million spent in the Georgia election interference case, defending himself from charges related to his alleged efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss here in Georgia. Now, Trump's lead Atlanta attorney, Steve Sato, backed Governor Kemp's decision to sign the bill, and in a statement tonight, he wrote that it, quote, represents a turning point in holding unethical, opportunistic, and deceitful prosecutors accountable for their misconduct. Now, we did reach out to the district attorney, Fani Willis's team tonight for reaction. They declined to comment. It should be noted that the bill's sponsor, former Senator Brandon Beach, previously said in sworn testimony that he had President Trump in mind when he sponsored this bill. By the way, Beach recently appointed the U.S. Treasurer for the Trump administration. Live outside the Fulton County Courthouse, Joe Gorcho, Atlanta News First.